Encryption in transit. This is our next part of the encryption. Here we will know second type of the encryption, that is the encryption transit. So before coming to the encryption transit, once again I would like to tell you about the encryption. What exactly encryption is, which is I already explained in the previous video. But right now again I will tell you so that we will compare and we will understand what exactly encryption is. So encryption is the process of the converting readable data, plain text, to unreadable format or cheaper text to protect it from the unauthorized access. This is the complete definition, or you can say this is the something by which we can understand what is encryption is. So encryption is means we are converting to readable data into unreadable format. That is a plain or simple text not. It's a something different format so that no one can be read it. Right. This is the encryption. Now encryption at different type. Right. Encryption is here in Azure, if we will talk, then encryption means we are protecting our data in the rest and data in transit. Mean there is two type of the encryption we are using. One is the rest, that is something which is we store the data. Whereas in data in transit, the data is moving and converting into the secure, unreadable format that can be accessed with the right encryption key only. So this is the meaning of the encryption in transit. What is the encryption in transit means the data which is stored, that is in data in rest type of the encryption, right? Or encryption in rest. Whereas which data is moving one place to another place, right? So that type of the data is called data in transit. Now come to the definition. Encryption in transit protect your data when it's moving between the client to Azure or between the services. Right. This is I was explaining you. Enforcing to using HTTPS or TLS, transport layer security, means your data is moving one place to another place through the transport layer. At that time, we need to encrypt the data so that a third party, a third person who is not authorized user cannot access your data. That is the encryption in transit means. A store account have a secure transfer required enabled by default when an app upload a file to Azure Blob Storage using the HTTPS. The data is encrypted in the transit to prevent man in the middle attack. Right. So here in Azure, it encrypt your data automatically, which is here explaining you. Right. So this is the encryption in transit method, right? Apart from this, here third one is the client side encryption. Client side encryption means data encrypted by the client application before uploading to the Azure. This is less common in standard scenario but useful for the advanced security needed. What is the meaning of client side? Client side means before uploading your data. Means data is encrypted before the sending to the it Azure. Means you manage your own key and perform encryption in your app. For example, you encrypt a file on your system and you with your encryption key. Then you upload it to Azure Blob Storage. Azure never see what you unencrypted data is, right? So this is the way we can use to client side encryption. Now this is the storage service encryption, that is SSE, default encryption at rest. This is SSE. Customer managed key. Customer managed key is user control the key via the Azure Vault. This Azure keyword I explained you earlier that I also give the example of the connection string. Right. Microsoft managed key. Microsoft managed key Azure handle the key rotation and the management. So this is the something which is the key management which I will explain you after few things. Here first we read the Azure Key Vault. Key Vault service is used to store and manage the cryptographic key. That is connection screen example which we can use and relate and can understand. Secure transfer required force HTTP connection to store real used to storage, right? Forces to HTTP connection to storage. That is the secure transfer required. Now, real world example, you can create a storage account named by the My Secure Storage. By default, all the data is encrypted at the rest with the Microsoft Managed Key. That is something, yes, which we know and which we understand earlier. One slide before this slide. You enable secure transfer required, so app must be used the HTTPS. Yes, during the sending the data at that time, you use the HTTPS that is also used to required to encrypt the data. Later, for the compile, you configure your key vault and set up it. That is a connection string. Customer managed key is full to control over the